Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan, and today we're checking out the new Xiaomi Mi Home Security Camera Basic. So let's quickly get started. Now this camera comes in after the Mi Home security camera, which had a tilt and swivel feature, and you could basically control the pan, tilt and zoom of that camera. This one is a smaller, lighter version of that. It is a basic camera, so you can't really move it around, but it is a camera that you can place on a desk or hide it inside your room somewhere and get a security feed from this camera directly onto your smartphone. Now this is priced at $1,999 and it is a 1080p camera. The camera itself is made out of white plastic. It's actually got a pretty good build quality. On the front you'll see the lens. It has a 130-degree wide field of view, which is almost identical to a human eye, which also has a 130-degree field of view. Like I mentioned, the camera is lightweight and it weighs in only at 120 grams, and it connects via Wi-Fi but also has a micro SD card slot in there, which can take up to a 64GB micro SD card, or minimum you need to pop in a 16GB micro SD card. The camera records video at 1080p. You can obviously reduce the resolution if you don't want full 1080p video. Now, the camera connects easily with the Mi Home app, which is also available on both Android and iOS, and then it can be set up to use your Wi-Fi networks so that you can view your security footage from wherever you are. And because of the fact that it has an inbuilt recording capability as well, it can store quite a lot of footage on the micro SD card, or you can also have a network attached storage or an NAS which can record video directly from this camera endlessly. Now, even though this is a basic camera, it does have quite a lot of the same features that we saw on the other camera, which includes a low light mode or a night mode, which basically turns off the infrared light and gives you full 1080p video without any loss, and it also gives you color footage in low light environments at 1080p. It works really well, and we've tested this out in the past as well, and on this camera also it works really well. Another interesting features that I think a lot of people can use is the two-way talkback feature, which means that you can, from your phone through the camera, speak to somebody in front of the camera, and that person can respond through the camera to your phone directly. So it can also work as a walkie-talkie. It does have an inbuilt speaker as well as a microphone to record the audio, so you can listen to somebody or you can send somebody messages through the camera. So if you have somebody working at your place and you see something through the camera and you want to talk to them, you can do that through the camera itself. Now, through the Mi Home app, you can add as many cameras as you want. So if you have a house and lots of rooms and you want to put a camera in each room, you can do that, and you can view 3 live feeds through the app at one time. We only have one camera, so we can't really demonstrate this at this moment, but if you're watching footage live, you can have 3 live streams, and then you can switch through the live streams if you want to look at the other cameras. But you can have an endless number of cameras in a group of cameras. So you can set a home group, or you could have an office group, so you can have different sets of cameras for different places. For the price that it's available at, and for the quality of video that it offers, and especially at a price of $1,999, you can't really go wrong with it. You don't need a DVR, you don't need additional hardware. This is a basic plug and play camera. You can use a micro USB cable, you can even use a power bank to power this. So it's a pretty interesting device, and for those who are looking to add a little bit more security into their house or office, this comes in at a pretty interesting budget as well. The only thing this doesn't have is outdoor capability. So this is an indoor only camera and you can't use it outdoors, so it's not IP rated or anything, so it would not be advisable to put it outside in a dust or a water ridden environment. All in all, a pretty interesting camera from Xiaomi. Go check it out if you're interested. We'll leave links to buying this in the description below. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.